I know you're struggling. I know you've tried things that didn't work. I know you tried of watching others win while you stay stuck. This is my Binance balance right now, 11,000 USDT and 61.3. As you can see, this is real money and it's my money. And so in the next 6 to 10 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how I turn a piece of this into more using a simple method called crypto arbitrage. No charts, no technical analysis, no luck, just mathematics. I wasn't always here. I remember staring at my phone, praying for a miracle, bills overdue, rent coming, nothing in savings. Then I discovered something simple: price difference between exchanges. Buying low here, selling high there, keeping the difference. The first time I did, I made a 40 USDT in 5 minutes. I almost couldn't believe it. Now, it's my daily routine, guys. Here's exactly what I will show you today. How to spot the price gap between Binance and Binunz, how to move your money safely and fast, how to lock in profit and withdraw back to Binance. If you follow every step I show you, you will understand exactly how arbitrage works, and you can start today with as little as $50. It's not tomorrow, not next week, it's today. Now, let me show you how this works, right? As you can see, if I click on trade here, and then I want to buy USDT, okay? And I put here USD, let me choose USD here. And then I want to buy a USD amount worth 100, okay? You see, if I buy amount of USD worth 100, I will get 101 USD back. That's a difference of $1, okay? If I put 1,000, I will get 1,013 USD. The 13 USD is the price difference, and that's your profit on your Binance. But what if I told you that there's an exchange that I can sell these 1,000 USDT and also get back almost 200 to 300 profit? And the exchange is called Binance.com, guys. Check this. This is Binance.com. When I click on login here, okay, and then I scroll down. Let me scroll down, guys. I want to log in and then click on login. See, I'm logging with my credentials. And then, guys, I go to P2P, okay? And then I want to sell, let's say, and then I'll choose USDT amount. I'll put 1,000. You see the vendors. This one has 1.03. So I'm going to look for a vendor with at least 1.4. This one is called Andre Lunusu. Price is 1.41. If I sell 1,000 to Andre Lunusu right now, I'm going to get a profit of 1,384. So that's a profit of 384.65 USDT. So that's what we call crypto arbitrage, guys. So let's do it. So the first step, guys, I'm going to move my USDT to Binance, okay? And the amount I'm going to move is 1,000. So what I'm going to do is to go to my Binance account and then click on the 3 dots, click on deposit, okay? Choose USDT and then put amount. The deposit amount is 1,000, and then continue. And then, guys, I'm going to copy this address here. After copying the address that I'm going to deposit, I'm going to my Binance now and then click assets and then click send, withdraw USDT. And then, guys, I will long press that address here and then I'll choose the network, and the withdrawal amount will be 1,001 because the 1 is the $1 fee, guys. So I think I'm going to withdraw 1,002. Yes, 1,002 because the dollar fee has been increased to 1.5 USDT, guys. And then I'm going to click on withdraw, okay? And then, guys, I'm going to click on confirm. So now, guys, I'm going to put my passkeys and then submit the withdrawal, okay? So Once I submitted these guys, now what I'm going to do is take this screenshot and then going back to my Binance and then scroll down here, you can see a place called payment screenshot. Then I'm going to upload it. So you can see the payment screenshot has been uploaded. So now I'm going to click on submit. Very easy, guys. So you can see the deposit now is pending on the blockchain, which will be processed within 1 to 5 minutes, guys, as we wait. And so, guys, I'm going to refresh and check whether my deposit has been confirmed on the blockchain. So I will click on view. And guys, you can see now the deposit has been approved. So what I will do now next, I'll go back and then log in again to my account. And guys, you can see now my portfolio balance is 2,163. Before I had 1,163. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to click on the three dots, and then guys, I'm going to go to P2P. So I'm going now to sell that 1,000 that we just deposited, and then we will later move it to our Binance wallet. So I'm going to P2P trading, guys, and then I'll click on sell the cryptocurrency USDT, and then amount is 1,000. And then guys, I'm going to scroll down and look for the vendor who has at least 1.4 and above. So guys, this one is called Zara Kamara because the other vendor already is gone. So the one with a price of 1.40 is Zara Kamara. I'll click on sell, and then I'll put amount 1,000, and then guys, I'll click on continue. And now guys, this is the payment method. Guys, I'm going to click on payment. This is where you receive your payment. Okay, so I'll choose USDT, and you can see guys, this section you are being asked to choose where you are going to be paid to. Binance Spot Wallet, this is your Binance Spot Wallet. You will go back to your Binance account and with a low fee. And payment address, this is now your Binance address, or Bybit or Bitget address, or any exchange that you are using. So guys, I'm going to choose the payment address section, and then I'm going to go back to my Binance. Okay, I'm going to go to my Binance now. You can see now I have 10,000 USDT back. Now I'm going to click on deposit, add funds, and then deposit. And guys, I'm going to copy the TRX and then copy it. Okay, and then guys, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and then I'm going to click submit. Okay, so now guys, you can see now I'm selling 1,000 USDT to Zara Kamara, and I'm expecting Zara Kamara to pay 1,367 back to my Binance account that I have provided the address to. So guys, let's wait for it so that Zara Kamara pays it. This usually takes about 29 minutes. If 29 minutes passes before Zara Kamara pays, you just need to cancel that trade, and the money will be refunded back to your account automatically. So guys, as you can see, it has passed already. It's about almost 10 minutes now, and you can see the vendor has marked the trade as paid. And as you can see guys, there's a release button here. So I should only release this trade if the vendor really paid me. Okay, as you can see, the vendor has sent me a message saying that paid. So I would say let me check. Okay, and then I will send that message to that vendor like that. So guys, the next step I'm going to do, I'm going to check if the vendor has really paid. And as you can see, the notification is here. The vendor really paid me 1,367. Let me go back to my Binance and check. Let me refresh my Binance. As you can see, the deposit was successful, 1,367, and now you can see the balance has updated, guys. So since the vendor has paid me, I'm going now to release this trade. and if the vendor doesn't pay you, you just dispute this trade and your funds will be retrieved back by the support. But it's not really easy like that, guys. So I'm going to click on release this trade, and then after releasing the trade, guys, I'm going to give a positive feedback to the vendor and say he is the best in the world. Okay, guys, and then I'll click on submit that review. So that is it, guys, and that's how I have made 367.84 USDT in profit trading crypto arbitrage. So guys, here is what you need to do right now. Sign up on Binance using the link in my Telegram channel or in my TikTok. Buy USDT on Binance, send USD to Binance, sell higher, withdraw your profit, start with $100, $150 or any. The gap won't stay open forever, guys. While you are watching this, someone else is already trading. Don't be the person who watched and wished. The person who watched, be the person who watched and won, okay? You've seen the proof, you've seen the steps, now it's your turn. Links, I'll put it on my videos below, on my TikTok, on my YouTube, and on my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel, link on my bio. Start from the amount that you can, and let's win together, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and follow me, and remember, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do what I did exactly. Thank you so much, guys.